this is my next job, my next repair. A Miller Lite Budweiser. Miller Lite Budweiser. Okay, so first thing I do is just check for brakes, and doesn't seem to have any brakes anywhere. So, and there has to be a light behind this one, so I have to check the inside, and right away I can see there's a broken section here. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Now there's something very unique about this sign. It has water inside it, this thing. It's probably it's supposed to resemble the waves of the ocean, and well, I've never seen one like this. We'll see how it works. But first thing is to open up this part that I already took all the screws. Take the watery part. And I already took out also the broken piece. So this is a piece that needs to be made new. So now I'm going to check out the rest of the sign. It has two transformers. No, it actually has only one transformer. This one I thought it was a transformer, but it's not. That's the like the power source for the little motor that's here, and that's the little motor that makes the waves, the whole thing tilt to one side and then the other, and that makes the waves. So it only has one transformer, so I'm going to check if everything else is working. And to do that, these are the two wires that went to the piece that I'm going to remake. So I just connect these two together so that would complete the circuit. And then I go and plug in the sign to see if it works, if the rest of the neon works. Yes, it does. Everything works perfect. So now I'm going to make a new section. But before I do that, I'm going to put this part all back together so they don't break or something. Now I have to make this. So for that I have to make a pattern first. And then I check the color, which is probably white. I have to make sure if it's white or not. Yes, it is. And it looked like 10 millimeters. So, 10 millimeter it is. Well, that's it. The sign is ready to go.